In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate a video clip in Lightworks using Transform 3D. Rotating footage is a quick way to straighten a horizon, add a dynamic twist, or create a subtle perspective shift, and you can do it entirely inside the Effects panel. First, open Lightworks and load the project that contains the video you want to adjust. Make sure the clip you want to work on is visible in your editing panel or timeline and that it's selected so the effect will apply to the right piece of media. Next, click Effects to open the effect browser. In the list, locate Transform 3D. This is a versatile effect that lets you reposition, scale, and rotate a clip in three-dimensional space. Click and drag. Transform 3D directly onto your video clip in the Editing panel. When you drop it onto the clip, the FX Settings panel will appear on the right side of the interface, showing the controls for Transform 3D. Inside FX Settings, look for the Transform 3D section and choose Rotation. Here you'll see three rotation controls labeled X, Y, and Z. Think of X as tilting the clip forward and backward, Y as turning it left and right, and Z as spinning it like a clock face. These axes give you precise control over how the image rotates in space. Start with small adjustments and build up as needed. You can type exact values for accuracy or drag the sliders for a more visual approach. For subtle straightening, adjust Z in 1 or 2 degree increments. For a 3D perspective change, experiment with X and Y. As you make changes, keep an eye on the viewer to judge the result and scrub the timeline to preview different frames while the effect is applied. If you see black edges after a rotation, that simply means the image has moved within the frame. A slight scale up within Transform 3D can fill those edges neatly, and if you push an adjustment too far, reset the value back to 0 to return the clip to its original orientation. For smoother editing, apply the effect to one clip at a time and pause playback while you adjust the sliders, then play to review. Once you're happy with the rotation, you're done. Press play to watch the clip through and confirm the look, then continue with the rest of your edit.